Your dogs are gonna be showing? Alright, so my daughter's first car came in, and it says on the box to be careful opening it because you can damage the box. So I'm thinking that this comes in a bag, or it has like a carrying case.
Dang.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut it.
Okay.
This little thing, so you can open it, okay?
Alright. Here's the pieces.
Cool. Little letter?
It's a... What's that?
A bottle opener.
I like a bottle opener.
I thought you're not supposed to drink and drive. So that's actually a really nice remote.
I could tell.
It is a good remote. Oh, nice. All right, so here, flip it back over. And I'll cut these little pieces.
This is a nice, pretty looking car.
Here, hold this real quick. You're fine. That looks cool.
I know.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks nice.
I want to see underneath it, okay?
Okay. Oh, and these stay on.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
That looks nice.
And look at the battery.
That is nice.
That's pretty nice.
Cool.